Alrighty guys, we're going to go check out some new spots around the Altoona area. We do have some rain forecasted, so hopefully it doesn't hit, but never know what's going to happen, so I'll see you there.
Throw from this bait in there for a little bit. That worked. Right where I got that bite. Yep, something got it. There we go. Oh, he got off. Nothing big. Could be more. Probably should show why I didn't eat that more, but I didn't. Gotta keep pressure on a bunch of little guys. Little dinky boy. Little guy. Throw that farther. Skiing. Man, he's got a pretty big mouth for being a little guy. Oh, yeah, there we go, finally. Pull one again. What is up with this? Is there no decent sized ones in this place? Goodness gracious. They're all about the same size. Little one again. There's one. That one feels a little bit better. Can't even move him. I think he's in the weeds. It's a ghillie suit fish. Nope. Another small one, I think. Oh, maybe he's a little bit bigger. Oh, there we go. There we go. He is a better fish. That's what I'm talking about right there. He ran me straight into the weeds there. That's a nicer fish. What in the world? Jesus. Didn't even see or feel him bite, and he's a giant. Giant. Oh. Sorry about that. Alrighty. This is probably going to be the last spot, at least this morning. I'm getting rained on, so here I am. Light tackle right now, so I can blast quickly if I need to. I actually like this place, it looks pretty good. Grassy shit. There's one. First cast. Oh, that's what I should have brought with me. Should have brought my pliers with me. Hopefully nothing gets hooked stupid. They should be getting pretty active. Right now, because of the rain. Oh, he missed it. Alright. That's enough crazy shit for me. The rain stopped here, so we're back at it. And so we're gonna try and get something going here. We gonna throw a big brush hog here. There's Ron, and he is trying to get me in the weeds here. There we go. Little guy. You know, more weeds. There's one. Well, I was hoping throwing a big bait, you know, would get some bigger fish, but that's not the case because it's a little dinky boy. Oh, we got it again. That's a decent one there. Then our Brooks hogs it on. There we go. That's definitely a good 3-pounder there. Look at that. That's a nice fish. 3-pounder probably. I think he had it. He ate it. And he got off and he ate it again. Or there's more than one, but I'm happy with that. Nice. Well, that's some brush hogs, so we're gonna. You can see there's a. Probably hard to see on camera, but there's like a bar that comes out and trying to explain something. And there's a little bar that comes out here and it drops off over here and on this side. And it's not very deep over there, but that's where that big 3-pounder was. And they're, I don't know what they're doing, they're just hanging out there, probably chasing some fry or something like that, but there's a little guy. I'm gonna toss this around a little bit. Yo, man. There's one bite already. First cast. That's, ooh, he's getting in the grass. This is some Temu fluorocarbon line I got that I was trying out. So I'm kind of nervous to start flipping them, but little 1-pounder. There it is. Not a bad one. 1.5 pounds probably. Out in the middle, dragging on bottom, man. I was reeling it in. Oh, chill. Weird. Okay. Again, probably under a pound. There's one. Another little one, I think. Unless he's swimming towards me. Maybe not too fast. Oh, no, he's the one. Well, he was in a mop of weeds. Another little one. We're still catching fish. But, definitely a grind. Alrighty guys, we are done for the day. I just picked up my son, Holston. Can you say hi? And we had a decent day fishing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.